This 2018 Grand Design Momentum M-Class 350 meters is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Myers, FL 33908 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Fort Myers. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, slide-out, and 117 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front bedroom, loft, outdoor entertainment, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.